Hi, dear sir. Look at this is our number 3 Nylon Zinc YG slider. It's a reverse model, not the normal model. You can see from the zipper very clearly. This side is without teeth, and this side is with teeth. So let's see the running situation. You see, it runs very smooth, and this one also runs very smooth. This one with the waterproof feel, okay? And now let's see the details. For one piece, the weight is 1.63 gram per piece. And the color is gun color. We also can make the shiny nickel and other color that you want. But normally customer, most of them choose to buy gun metal color over the shiny nickel color. So if you are interested for such this slider, you can send email to us. Thank you.